What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a wonderful delicious green smoothie. Come along with me and see how I made this delicious green smoothie. Sister J's way. Today I'm making a lovely green smoothie. Here I have some spinach, I have a banana, I have some kale, yogurt, cilantro, some raw nuts, and here I have avocado and cucumber. I'm gonna start by putting this cilantro in the blender, then the spinach, the kale, the avocado and cucumber, the yogurt, now I'm putting in the banana and the nuts. I'm going to put some water in it and I'm going to blend. Now I'm adding some ice to that. Guys, this green smoothie is ready. There you have it, guys, my green smoothie. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Be blessed. Guidance.